Dear learners, welcome to this MOOC's course on the geography of India. India is a land of extraordinary diversity, a country where snow-clad mountains, fertile river plains, ancient plateaus, vast deserts, dense forests and extensive coastlines coexist within a single national territory. Understanding India's geography is essential for understanding its people, culture, economy, environment and development. In this program, we will explore the significance of India's geographical setting, its major physical features, climatic diversity, resource endowments and contemporary relevance in a rapidly changing world. So, first of all, why we should study geography of India? Geography of India helps us understand the relationship between humans and their environment,